Hello everyone, take a section from the front and then move it all towards one side. After this, put it to the level of the jawline and then cut it straight. Then take a pair of scissors and then make multiple vertical cuts to it. Take a round hairbrush and then use a hair dryer and blow dry it as such. Do the same for the other section as well. Curl the bottom and then use a hair dryer at high heat in order to make it put it in shape. This will set the hair properly. Take a section from the front of the hair, cut it at the eye level, and then do the same at the side, however do it at the lip level. Now make a diagonal cut so that the side hair matches the center length as well. Make it a diagonal cut and then take a comb and then make multiple vertical cuts throughout the hairstyle. After you are done with this, take a piece of tissue paper and then wrap it around the hair as such after gathering it all together. Now fold the hair and then roll it up as such. Once you have rolled it up, you may use a little clip to put it into place and then use a hair dryer on it for a little while, and once you open it, it should be a little bit puffed up as such. Next, take a pair of scissors and then for two of the sections, cut it around the eye level as such. Then, pull a comb through it and then make a diagonal cut to it. Make it go diagonal from one side to the next as such, and then do the same for the sides as well. Make sure that you leave no side unattended. Next, take your pair of scissors and then begin to make vertical cuts throughout the hair as such, starting from the center. Don't forget to do the sides as well, and then make it as puffy as possible using the hair straightener. Puff it outwards as such and then set it in place. Next, make a side parting as such and then take two sections of the hair from about the center or the parting region. Using the rest of the hair, make a cut right at about the chin. Then make a diagonal cut to make it match the top as such and then make vertical cuts in the hair. Do the same for the other longer side as well that contains more volume of hair. Make sure that it is more or less even and then proceed to cut it vertically. Next, take your hair straightener and then make the hair frame the face while adding a little bit of volume to the hair. Take as small sections as possible as this makes it look all the more better. Also curve it to the side so that it frames the face better, especially for this particular hairstyle. Thank you for watching.